Headlines making the afternoon news. Makeup artist shot dead in Westmoreland. Bizarre. Criminals shake hands of victims in Portmore robbery. Man held after cops seize firearm ammunition in St. Anne raid. A woman was shot dead outside her house in Sheffield, Westmoreland on Sunday evening. The deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Moesha, otherwise called Momo, a makeup artist of Sandy Bay in Clarendon. The incident happened at about 5:50 p.m. Reports are that Heath and a male companion drove into their yard. Upon exiting their vehicle, they were approached by three men coming from the rear of their house. One of the men called out to the male and told him not to move, after which they opened fire at them. They both ran in separate directions. However, the male companion managed to escape unhurt and summoned the police. On arrival of the lawmen, Heath was lying on her back close to the entrance of her house with what appeared to be gunshot wounds in the region of her head and upper body. She was subsequently transported to the Savannah Public General Hospital where she was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the killing. Police have launched a search for a group of criminals who staged a robbery at a bar in Portmore and stole an undetermined sum of money. The robbery is one of several to rock sections of the St. Catherine-based community in recent months. A video of the robbery has been making the rounds on social media, and one part in particular that has left investigators baffled is where criminals are seen shaking the hands of the frightened victims before leaving the area. Social media users have expressed mixed views about the development. This is just an indication of how brazen criminals have become to the point where they are thanking their victims. The police need to start sending a strong message to show this is not a game, said one social media user. Until their luck run out, these criminals will understand the seriousness of their action, said another user. Police sources said there were no reports of any victim being harmed during the ordeal. The St. Anne police seized an illegal firearm and 8 rounds of ammunition during an operation in Faith Spen Manig, St. Anne on Sunday, March 19. One man was taken into custody in relation to the seizure. Reports from the Manig police are that about 11:50 a.m., the lawmen were in the area when a premises that was occupied by a man was searched, and during the search, one 9mm Brawlin pistol with a magazine containing 8 9mm rounds of ammunition was found wrapped in a bag that was under a pillow inside the house. He was subsequently taken into custody. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigation.